Good evening, my beauties, and how are you tonight? I just want to remind everybody that I do have a giveaway going on, and it will be ending on August 15th when I will choose a winner. And if you go to my video that I'll put up here, up top, you can read the directions and follow through, watch the video, have some fun, and come join us and maybe win something really wonderful, because I'm going to tell you right now, I have something absolutely amazing to give away. So, just a reminder to anybody who may be new that I have that going on. Also, I want to apologize that I've not been putting out as many videos, and the reason is because I've been working on my book. I am a writer, and I have to get this book finished, so that comes first. But I do want to get, as these boxes come in, I do want to try to get, at least some of them before they pile up like crazy. So the box we have tonight is Fashionista.com and The Box by Fashionista.com. And this box, it maybe looks simple, but it is usual packaged with some really good stuff. So let's see what Fashionista has for us this month and what is in the box. Okay, so open her up, and again, it's always very simple, which is not a problem, because usually they have amazing products. So we have our card, which tells us what's inside. We're not going to look at that because we want to find out for ourselves. Okay, so the first item I find, this looks very interesting, is a 3-step, not sure it's a mask, but it's a 3-step stem cell system for your face. Interesting. And this is what it looks like. We've got step 1, step 2, and then step 3. So it'll be very interesting to see how this works. I think this bottom one, this step 3, may be a mask. I'm not 100% sure, but looking at if you look at the instructions here, it looks a little bit like there's a mask there in that little picture. Let's see what the card says about our wonderful little discovery. Okay, so it says it's from ALOISIA Beauty. ALOISIA Beauty. I gotta stop trying to pronounce these because I can never pronounce these right. Okay, Aloe Stem Cell 3-in-1 Skincare System, and it's normally $12.50. Plant-based stem cells, antioxidants, and natural marine and botanical ingredients to clean, replenish, and provide intense hydration for skin depleted from environmental stress or travel. Okay, and it is cruelty-free. So that sounds good. I might even try that one tonight. Yeah, okay. And the next thing we have here, which it's another mask, looks like it says MUDMASKY, and it says Leave Me On Summer Mask, SPF 15, Sun Protect, Feeding, Nourishing, Moisturizing, Anti-Aging. That's a good one. And this is what it looks like. So that should be interesting. A leave-on mask? All right. I always smell it first. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that's our MUDMASKY. Smooth. Okay. You see, it's not sure you can tell, but it leaves a little shimmer, but it's leave-on, so apparently I don't have to take it back off. That's interesting. Of course, why is it called a mask if you don't have to take it? If you don't have to remove anything, then why is it called? Because to me, a mask is, you know, you put it on and then you take it off. If you don't have to take it off, is it really a mask or is it just a skincare product? I don't know. Anyways, it can be whatever you want it to be. All right. So the next thing we have in here, besides, look at this, we got our black confetti-like crinkle paper. All right, it says Love Light Lips. Love Light Lips. Okay, and this is what, ooh, shiny. This is what it looks like. Peel off. Oh, okay. You know what this is? It says peel off. It's a mirror underneath. So you can actually do your lips and look in a mirror at the same time. That is cool. That's very cool. And I like that color. And there's, look at this right here. It lights up. It lights up. I've never seen that before. So you can look in the mirror and you can see your lips as you put on this color. Wow. That is really amazing. I've never seen it. Have you ever seen anything like that? That is a good, what an interesting idea. That's very clever. Wow. It's a pretty color too. It's shiny. I don't usually wear brownish colors, but I like the sheen to it. So let's see what our card says about that. Okay. Love Light Cosmetics. At least I can pronounce that. Okay, healing lip gloss with aloe, jojoba oils, vitamin E, and shea butter for happy moisturized lips all summer. Light up wand and mirror for those touch-ups on the glow. Cruelty free. That's really cool. It's a nice lip gloss. Interesting. I like that, and I like how it has the mirror and all that. That's really cool. So the next product, let's see if we can beat that one. Okay, the next one we have here is a facial serum. It says TROPICGYAL Naturals. Let's see what it looks like in here. Oh, and we got another bottle of something. These bottles, I'll tell you, I have so many of these facial serums with all these bottles with, it's yellow. I don't know if I could do it on the back of my hand. Doink. Not really sure what this is supposed to do. Let's read about this. Okay, it says TROPICGYAL Naturals, $37 for this. All natural, lightweight, non-greasy formula, where it really isn't. It's soft, but it's not greasy. Created for all skin types to moisturize, restore elasticity. That's good. Fight acne I don't have that problem anymore. And help with scarring and cell turnover, vegan and cruelty free. That sounds like it could be good for anybody of any age. That's nice. There you go. That's not bad. And then we've got, oh, we got something underneath all this black paper. Ooh. What do you think? A palette. Poolside. A Poolside palette. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Very nice. Okay. Oh, let's see what this one looks like. This may be a keeper. I have some nice palettes. Some of them I've kept. And some of them I haven't. So let's see. Poolside. Oh, yeah. Yep. Very nice. You are more beautiful than Poolside. This is really interesting. The mirror says on it, you are more beautiful than Poolside. And look at these pretty colors. I like these colors. I think I'm keeping this one. Look at those pretty colors. Yeah. I like how it has the writing on it. But I like this. It's got a nice gold. I like the browns. It's actually got a lot of colors that I will use. So let's see. Wow. Yeah, these are good. These are very good. Some of them are a little glittery even. I like that. Yeah. Very nice. And that's it for the box. But I have anything else to unbox at the moment. Again, don't forget to check out my giveaway and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back as soon as I get another box, as soon as I can, because I have to go work. I gotta go write. Use the pen motion, but it's more computer. Okay, well, everybody, you have a lovely day or evening, and remember, stay beautiful.